Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Fiverr app on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the search bar or the search icon on the screen. Now go ahead and type in Fiverr and tap on search. Once you do that, you're gonna find Fiverr freelance services with a green icon on your screen. Tap on it. Now right beside the green icon, you're gonna find one of these four options: Get, Backup, Install or Download. Go ahead and tap on one of those options. Then your phone will start downloading Fiverr app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Fiverr app on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.